great increase in parasails to sport jumps. Air Show at DuPage County Airport. There's plenty of air show left. There's plenty of room coming out to join us. We're on Highway 64 right next to the Pheasant Run Resort in St. Charles. Come on out. We'll take the wing on the main runway back to the studio to catch up. Back to the studio. We'll be back here in just a few minutes. There it goes. C-5. Having assignment for the aircraft have been made, and they are currently still being produced. Unit resistance a significant number of achievements and help spread the weight over the wider portion of what normally might be a travel. All the right. Here's the C-130. There's the agility of the airplane we talked about as the crew rolls it right up on the wingtip. You can see their ability as a minimizing the amount of exposure the aircraft speed out to the natural aircraft. There's the backing up that we talked to you about. There is a spotter.